What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So OnePlus users have been complaining about all the application. The third party application doesn't support live alert. But a developer have come up with an amazing application which allows all the application to be supported in live alert. Here you can take a look at the picture. Even the Gmail app do supports live alert, including the applications like weather. After installing this APK, you'll be able to use all the applications in the live alert form. So I'll tell you the process step by step. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. And huge shout out to developer. I'll put up the direct link in the description below. You guys can find that APK. So in the description, we have given a GitHub link where you can find that particular application called LiveBridge. So I've already installed on my OnePlus 13. I'll show you guys even on OnePlus Nord 5. So once you open that link, you need to scroll down and make sure your device is running OxygenOS 16. It won't work on OxygenOS 15. And if you see the description of LiveBridge, it says LiveBridge is a Flutter Android app which native Kotlin logic that converts regular notification into Android live updates. To download this application, you can tap on the link given here, and their latest version is version 1.2.8. Just tap here which says get the latest version, and here you can see it says recommended. Tap on download APK. Once the APK is downloaded, you need to do one thing. First of all, go to Play Store, tap on your profile, go to Play Protect, and from here you need to disable scan apps with Play Protect. Just disable it, or you can pause it for some time. I'll tap on pause, verify myself. Once done, now I'll locate the file which I've downloaded. So here I have that APK which is LiveBridge 1.2.8. Tapping on it, I'll install this application. If you don't disable the Play Protect guys, this application won't be installed. Tap on continue installation, and once done, you are good to go. Tapping on open app. So once you open the application, you'll see this page where you require few permissions. What you have to do is first close the application, then go to settings, under apps, app management, and search for the application. So here we have the LiveBridge application. Tap on these three dots and you need to enable allow restricted settings. Just verify yourself. Once done, now again open up the application and turn on all these permissions. I'll tap on it. For the LiveBridge, I'll allow all the notification access. For post notification permissions, I'll allow the permissions here also. For live update promotions, I'll open it and enable show live updates on live alert. And for this error which says allow auto start and unrestricted background activity, you can either hide it or you can unrestrict the background activities. I've not done on this device and everything is working perfectly fine. So I'll just hide it. Just make one change here in the settings guys. Disable progress option. After that, you are good to go. Now let me show you here on this device which all applications are supported. Currently, if you see weather application is there and I had an order placed from Amazon, that notification also appears in the live capsule form and it also shows the progress bar. You also have the option to directly reply from that particular notification, and you can see all the animations are super smooth here. This is how it appears on the lock screen. If you send any file using any application, it will show you the progress bar in the expanded form, and if you slide it up, you will see the percentage in the live capsule form. If you download any application from the Play Store, that also appears in the live alerts. Another example you can see while sending a file using Telegram, that thing also appears in the live alert form, and if you minimize it, you also get to see the percentage. Same thing goes with the WhatsApp application also. Here is the expanded notification, and here you can see it in the live capsule. And if you download anything from the Chrome, that also appears here in the live alert form. You can see the percentage. So basically it supports all the applications. Whatever you install it on your device, you can get the notifications in the live alert form using this particular application. So guys, this was a quick video to talk about this application called LiveBridge. Let me know how many of you guys like this application. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.